Hey guys! Welcome back to karenliz. And for today's video is another facial mask review. And this is the... I actually don't know how to pronounce this. It is the Xilix. I don't know. Xilix. And I don't know if this is the brand. Actually, it's Panda Animal Whitening Mask, obviously. And on the other side, you have here the dermal. I actually don't get it. It's in Korean characters, but there's also an English instructions on the back. It says here Panda Animal Whitening Mask. Obvious, diba? It is made in Korea, and expiration date is, I cannot find it. But anyway, it is 25 grams, and it's the characters are so little, even these sentences. And here is the product description. It is a mask for whitening care treatment which makes your dark skin much clearer and brighter than before. It contains niacinamide. Here we go to this chemistry words. Niacinamide, am I correct? Which is effective for keeping skin bright, and it also contains mulberry root extract, aloe vera leaf juice, and portulaca extract, which help to keep your skin always fresh. This is 89 pesos. I bought this at Watson. I'm so excited if I will look like a panda right now. I'm so excited.
This Panda mask suits my round face.
I look like a dog, not a panda. So the excess essence, if that's what you call this, the excess essence on my hands, I'm gonna spread it on my neck, and then, as usual, you know the drill, apply them on areas you want to moisturize. And we'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. So I've already watched about 2 videos on YouTube, and that's about 7 to 8 minutes each. I'm going to remove this. That feeling. Anyway, I hope you can see or anything, but this side is dirty. There is some grayish, brownish side, so it actually pulled off the dirt. I haven't removed with scrubbing, with toning, and wow, I'm amazed. Right now my face is a bit sticky. Parang there's no more essence left, and I'm just patting it, so I'm sure that my skin absorbs it really well. Can you see that? Parang it sticks on my palm. There's that sun. Oh yeah, so it's completely dry, and I feel it tighten my face. So I feel that my face brighten up a bit. I'm kind of irritated with its stickiness. I'm not sure why. Effectivity, it's okay. I think my face is hydrated anyway. So yeah, it's cute because of the panda design, but I'm not really impressed much. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. See you on the next one. Bye.